So again, we're factoring the denominator. So we get x plus 8 and x minus 6. Okay, the denominator now, then the second fraction, again, the x squared breaks into x and x. Two numbers that multiply to 30, remember? 5 and 6. Okay, but it's a negative 30, so one of them has to be negative. Which one will it be? The negative 6. Okay, so when you cross multiply it, you get 5x and negative 6x, which gives you negative 1x, which matches our middle term. So we get x plus 5 and x minus 6. Okay, so there we factor the denominators. Okay, now we have to find the common denominators. Okay, so if we're looking at the first fraction, what does this one not have that the first bracket does? Or the, sorry. What does the first one not have with regards to factor that the second fraction does? Remember? X plus 5. Okay, so this does not have an x plus 5, so we're going to multiply it by x plus 5. Okay, what does the second one not have that the first one has? Okay. X plus 8, good. So x plus 8 and x plus 8. So again, if you want to, you could expand at this step. But I'm going to write the extra step because we have to be very, very, very careful with this negative. So I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so we have x plus 9 times x plus 5 all over x plus 8, x minus 6, x plus 5. Subtract. I'm writing the extra step, you do not need to. So I'm just writing it all together. You guys let me know about my phone if it cuts out, please. So what we're going to do is expand now the numerators. Do not expand the denominators. That would be a disaster. That would take forever. You get 8 terms. But I'm going to bring the fractions together. Okay, expanded x squared plus 5x plus 9x plus 45, and be careful here. Subtract x squared plus 8x minus 9x minus 72. And we write the denominator once. Doesn't matter the order in the denominator. Okay, so you notice that the second terms, I left them in the bracket because that's subtraction there. That subtraction is a -1, so the -1 has to distribute to all the terms inside of the bracket. So this negative here, or the subtraction, is a -1 that gets distributed to all the terms. Okay? If you want to, you can simplify inside the bracket first and then distribute the 1, but it doesn't matter. So x squared plus 5x plus 9x plus 45. And now the -1 just changes all the signs. So -x squared minus 8x plus 9x plus 72. Okay, you could have simplified a little bit if you wanted to, like added the 5x and 9x at that step. I wish I could use 2 boards. I can't. Go back over there. Okay, second last step. Sorry, expand and simplify. So we have x squared minus x squared. Those cancel out. 5 plus 9, 14, minus 8 is 6, plus 9 is 15. So 5, 14, 6, 15. And lastly, 45 plus 72 is 117. And last step, don't forget, restrictions. So x cannot be -8, +6, and -5.
So for the restrictions, is there certain conditions again? Like
Sorry?
For the restrictions, is there a certain order?
If you want to put them in order, so do lowest negative to highest, that's fine. It doesn't matter.
But which order?
No. Some students will do -8, -5, +6. But I'm not picky on that. Okay, so homework is here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're only doing A and B for each. I think it's like A, B, C, D, E. So just do 2 of each because it does get repetitive. Actually, most of them, A, B, C, yeah, some go up to F. So again, 1 to 10, do not do 4, A and B for all of them.